Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. So today I'm sharing with you guys my updated beginner friendly nail enhancement prep video. But before I jump into the video, let me give a huge shout out to my notification squad. These were the first 3 people to comment on my last video, and if you want to be part of the notification squad, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and while you're there, click on the bell icon right next to that subscribe button so that you don't miss out whenever your girl drops a new video. So for my prep, I usually use these 3 diamond bits. However, today I did not need that ball bit because my client's cuticles were not that bad, and these 3 bits are from the Melody Susie 10-piece diamond cuticle bit set. I'm also using my Scarlett's e-file, also by Melody Susie, which I absolutely love and will recommend 100%. So if you guys are interested, definitely check out my affiliate link in the description box below, as well as my Melody Susie coupon code. So I am going to be starting off with the flat end cylinder bit. All the bits that I'm using today are in the fine grit, and I usually work with my drill at 5,000 RPMs whenever I am doing cuticle work. So recently I have been working with my e-file in both forward and reverse when doing cuticle work, and I have found that this makes such a difference. So I do start with my drill at the center of my client's natural nail plate. Sometimes it may be off the center, but I do try to keep it to the center with my drill in forward, and I'm going to be working from the center all the way around that half of the cuticle area, and then bring it on the right side of her sidewalls. After completing all 10 nails, or in this case I'm showing you guys one hand at a time, so after I complete 5 nails, I am going to switch my e-file to reverse, and then I'm going to go from the center all the way around to the left side of her sidewalls. Now I do it this way because I am right-handed, so my drill or my e-file is always in forward. If you are left-handed, you're going to start with reverse and then work your way to forward. Now a very important tip is that my drill bit is parallel to my client's natural nails. It's not at an angle, it's not at 45, it's not at 90. Anytime you hold your drill bit at an angle, you are going to create rings of fire, and you don't want any indentations in your client's natural nails. You don't want to damage them. Another thing is, once working with an e-file, you don't want to put any added pressure on that handpiece nor on that drill bit, because you are going to create indentations and damage your client's natural nails. Because I am comfortable with working with my e-file at 5,000 RPMs. 5,000 RPMs, it's 5,000 rotations per minute, and you do not want to add any pressure to that. You are working on the natural nail plate, so you still need to be careful. If you are not comfortable with working at 5,000 RPMs, you can definitely work at 3,000, so that way you know you have more control over your handpiece and your drill bit. Now taking this small cylinder bit, I'm going over the same area I just cleaned using that flat end cylinder, and the reason why I do this is because this bit is so fine in size that it gets into the nicks and crannies of the sidewalls to ensure all of that dead cuticle is removed. So around the cuticle area and sidewalls is mostly where lifting will occur, so I personally like to go in with this extra step just to ensure that that does not happen. So now I'm going to go in and remove the shine off of the natural nail plate. Now I like using a medium grit sanding band, as well as I work with my drill set to 3000 RPMs or sometimes below. So I am going to take my sanding band and gently go over the natural nails. Try my best to move my sanding band in one direction, also making sure that it is completely parallel to the natural nail plate even when I am going around the side walls. Making sure that my sanding band is not sitting in one spot on her nail plate for too long, because that is definitely going to cause damage to her natural nails. And I did not mention to you guys, but I am doing this part of my prep with my e-file set in forward. If again you are left-handed, you are going to set your e-file in reverse. And finally, I am going to be taking my hand file. This is my 180 grit hand file by McCart, and I would link both my hand file and my sanding bands in the description box below for those of you who are interested. And all I do with this is shape up the free edge of her natural nails. Now, if it is my client had longer nails, I would definitely go in with my nail clipper and trim them down to that little white free edge line that you guys see on screen, but I did not have to do that. And after I do this, I'm going to go in and repeat the same thing to her opposite hand. After prepping the nail, at this point you can go in and apply your nail tips, nail forms, whichever service you decide to do. This natural nail prep can be used for any nail enhancements, from a basic gel polish overlay to acrylic nails, gel nails, après, gel X. Whichever enhancement you decide, you can definitely use these prep steps to achieve long-lasting enhancements as well as healthy natural nail growth. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful and informative. I don't have a clip at the end because I didn't see it necessary. This is more like a step-by-step how-to video. I didn't do a design on this one, but if you want to see the design that she ended up getting, I will have it in the cards on the screen or linked in my description box below. It was one of the Valentine's Day, I think it was a baby blue Valentine's Day set that I did. So that is it for me. I hope everyone is having an amazing Sunday. The weather here is hot. What is the weather like by you? Tell me in the comment section below. So I am going to leave you right here to watch the rest of this video. It is just me prepping her other hand. And if this video was helpful to you, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and give it a share to someone who you believe that it is going to be helpful to as well. I hope you continue to have an amazing Sunday and a wonderful and productive week ahead. That is it for me. As always, I would love for you guys to stay glamorous, be safe, and I'll see you soon.